Hi dear viewers, in this video you can see how to make a car key after losing all the keys. We will insert the leashy key into the door and thus read the cuts from the cylinder. We will write the numbers on a piece of paper. One, 2, 1, 3, 4, 5, 4, 2. These are the numbers we got from leashy. We will put the cuts into the machine. Now we will place the key as requested by the machine. After we have placed the key in the correct position, we press cut. Now the machine will cut the key according to the numbers we set from the leashy key. The machine has finished cutting. We clean the key with a brush and now we go to the car to check the key we cut. We'll take the key and put it in the door. We will check that the key locks the vehicle. And now we'll check if he opens the car. And that's it. As you can see, the key fits the door in the ignition. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Don't forget to follow and like.